Have you ever been kept awake by someone snoring? Or maybe you wake up feeling exhausted because of your own snoring? Snoring isn't just a harmless sound. It's a common problem that affects millions of people worldwide. And guess what? Snoring doesn't just disrupt sleep. It can impact your health, mood, and even your relationships. Let's explore what happens when someone snores. Under normal circumstances, air flows freely through your nose and mouth as you breathe. But when this airflow is partially blocked, the tissues in your throat and nasal passages vibrate, creating that familiar snoring sound. So what causes snoring? Extra weight, alcohol, smoking, and sedatives can all make snoring worse. Physical factors. Sometimes it's due to your anatomy, like enlarged tonsils or an oversized uvula. Gender and age. Men and older adults are more likely to snore. As we age, muscle tone weakens, making snoring more common. But when should you worry about snoring? If you or someone you know snores loudly, pauses in breathing during sleep, or experiences symptoms like morning headaches and persistent fatigue, even after a full night's rest, it might be time to see a doctor. Why? Chronic snoring can have serious consequences. Poor sleep can lead to memory problems and trouble concentrating. Heavy snoring has been linked to high blood pressure and heart disease. Constant tiredness can trigger mood swings, irritability, and even depression. But here's the good news. There are solutions. Make healthy lifestyle changes. The most ideal solution is actually losing extra weight, as this can reduce excessive fat over the neck and widen the airway. Besides, you should drink less alcohol and quit smoking. Your body will thank you. Change your sleeping position by sleeping on your side can keep your airway open. For severe cases, a CPAP device can help you breathe easily and sleep better. If other methods don't work, your doctor might recommend surgery to clear your airway. Don't ignore snoring. It can affect your life and health more than you think. Small changes can make a huge difference. So if snoring is causing problems, try these tips or talk to a doctor. Make sleep your superpower. Take steps to manage snoring and enjoy a healthier, happier life. And don't let snoring stand in your way.